What if I told you that you could start making money today using ChatGPT? No coding, no crazy investments, just artificial intelligence working for you. AI chatbots are revolutionizing side hustles, and the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to cash in. Welcome back to the AI Connection, the podcast where I dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional in the field, or just curious about how artificial intelligence, AI, is shaping our future, this show is for you. Stick around until the end because I'm revealing an exclusive AI tool that will take your side hustle to the next level. Artificial intelligence isn't just for big tech companies anymore. ChatGPT is giving everyday people like you the power to automate, create, and scale online businesses with ease. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time AI-powered business, these 3 side hustles are your golden ticket to success. Let's break them down step by step. Side hustle number 1, AI-powered copywriting and content creation. First up, copywriting. Companies are spending billions on digital content, and AI chatbots like ChatGPT can help you deliver high-quality blogs, social media captions, and even ad copy fast. Here's how to get started. Set up a Fiverr or Upwork profile offering AI-enhanced content writing. Use ChatGPT to generate SEO-optimized blogs, product descriptions, and email campaigns. Charge per project or by the hour. Some AI-assisted writers make over $5,000 a month. Pro tip, the key is to add your human touch. Use ChatGPT for structure, then refine it for engagement and authenticity. You'll notice that AI tends to use odd words like delve too often. You need that human finesse to make it real. Clients love this. Side hustle number 2, AI chatbot, consulting for businesses. Businesses are scrambling to integrate AI chatbots into their customer service and sales funnels. But guess what? Most of them have no idea how to set it up. That's where you come in. Here's your game plan. Learn how to customize AI chatbots using platforms like ChatGPT API, ManyChat, or BotSonic. Offer chatbot setup services for small businesses, e-commerce stores, and influencers. Charge a setup fee, $500 to $2,000 per client, plus ongoing maintenance fees. Imagine automating a company's customer support while getting paid monthly for AI chatbot management. That's passive income at its finest. Here's side hustle number 3, AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing and AI are a money-making machine. Here's the blueprint. Pick a profitable niche. Tech, fitness, finance, etc. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging product reviews, blog posts, and video scripts. Promote affiliate products from Amazon, ClickBank, or AI software companies. Drive traffic using SEO, social media, and AI-generated email marketing. With AI doing the heavy lifting, you can automate your content and earn commissions 24/7. It's a side hustle that scales while you sleep. Now here's the bonus I promised you. There's an emerging AI tool called AutoGPT. It takes automation to the next level by handling complex tasks with minimal input. Imagine an AI agent running your entire side hustle while you focus on growth. If you want me to do a deep dive into AutoGPT, let me know in the comments. So which AI side hustle are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, I read every single one. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an AI money-making opportunity. Also, subscribe to my channel, Your AI Side Hustles, for more strategies on making money using AI. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future.